Hello boys and girls. Very quick tip and very short video about stretching, resizing a screen of Android emulator. This tip helps you to improve your stream, especially if you stream Android games like Clash Royale, Smashing 4, or something else /mini. So let's turn on Clash Royale. I will explain about the setting more. We have a Clash Royale game right now on the screen. So if I play this game, it's okay, but actually the boundaries of the game, the tab is not so big, and sometimes if I play in some intense games, it's pretty hard to put the character on the right place on the map. It would be of course better if I would have a bigger screen and bigger maps. Use 50 inches laptop screen. So if you go to settings, advanced settings, as you can see right now, resolution is set at 920 and 1080. It looks decent resolution actually for the laptop. But as you can see, the tab is not so big. But I found a way actually how to stretch it a little bit and don't ruin the animation. Let's go to customize. For my laptop, for my screen, these settings work. 1700 and 1200. DPI also increase up to 320. It makes the view a little bit sharper. Alright, so save settings. Alright, let's wait until it will be restart. This tip actually helped me to improve the gameplay and also the experience of watchers of my stream. They can see the bigger screen, the bigger view. Actually, it makes the stream more entertaining. Right now, as you can see, the tab is much bigger. The first one was, as I remember, up to this icon. Right now it is up to Microsoft Store. Right now it takes not a half of a screen, but more than the third of a screen. So I think right now the view is much more visible. The action will be more entertaining. It will be a better experience for you and of course for your watchers if you stream on some platforms. Alright, thanks for watching and see you next time.